Nubra Valley from our camp. This is right outside my camping site. This is the view. I'm going for a short walk. I'm exploring Nubra Valley a little, you know, with whatever energy I have. And yeah, beautiful place. Definitely 10 on 10 recommended. Oof. Also, we are living in a cottage, tent kind of place. So, because of that, there is no heater or anything. They'll give you extra sheets, but that's it. There's nothing there. Yeah, that's all. Let's see what else this place has to offer. Freaking Boleros, Thars. I did not see a lot of Thars, but Boleros, Himalayan 411s, Toyota, all these vehicles are freaking dominating. और कोई गाड़ी नहीं है भाई. मेरे को एक भी एडवेंचर 390 नहीं देखा बाइक में, एक भी KTM का बाइक नहीं देखा, एक भी होंडा, नथिंग, just Himalayan 411s. Okay, and everyone, even the locals are using that. Not even the latest model, like the 450 is there, but still like 80% are 411s all out of all the Himalayans. Mahindra, Innova, यही है भाई. Oh, what a beautiful place. My personal opinion, when you come to such places, Leh Ladakh and Kashmir or whatever, don't stay in 5-star hotels. I mean, you can, but like, come on, enjoy the nature. You will not be getting this chance again. कब आएगा फिर से? अरे फट के 4 हो जाएगी भाई. वहाँ पे कर दूंगा मैं 18,000 feet पे. Yeah, I had to take oxygen. So, नहीं होगा. मतलब psychologically people do get affected. Some people fall the first day they land. They just fall. They can't handle the oxygen levels, and so I just feel like just enjoy the nature. And it's for some people, majority of the people, it will be once in a lifetime, but I feel like I'm gonna come here again multiple times. I'll do the bike circuit, 11-day circuit and all. I have to do that. So let's see. It's the beautiful view. Half a kilometer away from my hotel. This is the view I'm getting. And one thing I observed, so my driver, he mentioned that the population in Leh is only 3 lakhs. Oh, another Suzuki Jimny, not a Thar. Okay, so the population is like 3 lakhs, and people are, there are very less people, and the culture is really, really, really beautiful. Not a single bit of waste anywhere on the road. Anywhere. You can go to literally any of the tourist places. Only there will be a bit of waste and everything. Other than that, in normal cities and all, everything is freaking clean. And people, because the weather is so harsh, because everything is, there are very less people. There are some villages which have only 2-3 houses here in Leh. There are like just 2 houses, that is a village. So
लद्दाख में तो गाँव होगा मैम, बहुत होगा, जैसे 100-200 से ऊपर होगा। हाँ जी, छोटे छोटे। हाँ जी,
I got to learn a lot about how this area of this side of India is working, and people are really genuinely nice, really genuinely good people, really soft. They don't push you. In tourist places, they won't force you to buy things. They'll be like, they'll ask you, they'll let you know, but that's it. Really, really nice people. Nobody will push or anything. And the driver was also mentioning that some areas, so okay, there are 2 cows. I just feel like they'll start running towards me, so I'll not cross their roads. Anyway, so these villages with very few homes and all, 2 houses, 3 houses in a village, these places, they survived on the glaciers, the water that comes from glaciers. But because of deforestation and climatic change, these glaciers have been completely melted, and their only source of water is not there. That's why the people who are living in the northern side are slowly shifting to the south, and that's their home, that's where they were born, and very unfortunate. What else? Healthcare and all, I asked about that. So whatever basic treatment and all, you'll get it all. Even the surgeries, stunt ho gaya heart ka, whatever surgeries and all, you'll get it done. But super specialization and multi specialization and all, that won't be there. God damn, look at the fucking view, man. भाई स्विट्जरलैंड और यूरोप झक मारेगा भाई, यूरोप झक मारेगा भाई. तुम fucking 1/10 the cost में यहाँ पे आओ and explore and have fun, dude. It's really beautiful. Just don't create waste. Don't don't make places dirty. Use the dustbins. अपने देसी लोग, वरना भाई यहाँ का कल्चर वगैरह ब्यूटीफुल है. Jule, hello, hi, oh my god, hey baby, how are you doing? How are you? So cute. How are you, my sweet little baby? Hmm? You wanted these? Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh my god, beautiful. Bye.
Oi.
Somebody wants butt scratches. Oh my god, I love dogs. I love dogs more than anything. We don't deserve dogs, truly. They're angels. Oh, oh, oh my god. Oh shit, the water. It's so clean. What the fuck? I just thought of washing my hands because even though I love dogs, so bye. Bye bye. Okay. Even though I love dogs, you know, they do carry a lot of germs and all. Oh my god. How do I my hands can't reach. इंडिया का पानी है भाई. This is the fucking directly coming from the source. Should I drink it? I don't know. What the fuck? It tastes so good. ये पानी पी सकते हैं ना?
पी सकते हैं.
हाँ?
कितना है आपको?
अच्छा, आप डायरेक्टली आ रहा है. बराबर. They also drink the same water directly. Holy shit. That has to be the best water I've ever tasted. I think that's all the hotels here. Paramount Hotel. I can't see it. Well, I think it's because it's either here or either there. Either or. Not the third one. Mine is on the third place. Anyway. Oh my god. The Q2 is back. Oh, I feel so bad. I wanna give her so many butt scratches, but I just can't. Hello. Jule. कुछ नहीं जुले, बस देख रहा था. What a view. So we reached the hotel around 5:45ish. We wanted to get freshened up and then go to the sand dunes, but apparently the double hump camel ride and the sand dunes, it gets closed after 6:30. We did not know that. So the remaining evening we'll spend our time in Nubra Valley and have a good time. And after that, early in the morning, before leaving to Pangong Lake, we'll do all the double hump, camel riding and everything, all the other activities. Let's see. Another Innova Krista तो भर भर के है भाई. Don't even get me started. Literally half of the vehicles are Innova Krista, Toyota Krista. Oh, the cows left. I took a U-turn because there were cows, so I just I'm already low on oxygen at high altitude. I don't wanna run, so I just took a U-turn. Okay, let's see. Oh shit, the cows are still there. What the fuck? I think it's a calf, and that's the mom. What should I do? I really want to explore that area. Fuck. I don't know. I'll just keep my distance and keep moving forward and not give any eye contact. That's the best thing I can do. Right? Oh shit. I have to be ready to run anytime. Wow. Okay. Oh shit. Nice place. Sick. Dude, look at the size of the dogs here. Or maybe it's just the fur, but they look huge. पुणेकर वालों, ट्रैक पे जाना है क्या ये वीकेंड? Dude, it feels like a completely different planet. I'm not even kidding. Okay, I'll give you some context. I'll give you some context of how big these mountains are.